Welcome back to 6-Minute Math, where we turn confusion into clarity 6 minutes at a time. Thank you for joining us today as we tackle how to add decimals. 6 minutes is not a lot of time, so here we go. Our key point when we are adding decimals is to always keep the decimal in line. Let's see some examples of how to use this. We're going to solve 1.54 plus 2.58, and I'm going to use a handy place value chart to help me. I'm going to put my numbers in 1.54 and 2.58, and then I'm going to add accordingly. Please remember that I always keep the decimal in line before I start adding. 8 plus 4 is 12, so I'm going to drop the 2, carry the 1. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11, drop the 1, carry the 1. And 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. And the reason I kept that decimal in line is it gets dropped into that exact place value, giving me a final answer of 4.12. Let's look at another example. I'm going to add 4.6 and 0.94. I'm going to use my place value chart again, and I'm going to make sure that I always keep the decimal in line. 4.6 and 0.94. Now I have an empty space, so I'm actually going to put a placeholder 0 in there to help me add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 6 is 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. And 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. And I keep my decimal in line because it drops into place nicely. 4.6 plus 0.94 is 5.54. Here's another example. We're going to solve 11.243 plus 9.75. Now in this case, I am not going to use a place value chart, but I am going to remember that I always keep my decimal in line. 11.243 plus 9.75. I have an empty spot in the thousands place, so I'm going to put my placeholder 0, and then I'm going to add accordingly. 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 2 is also 9. I'm at my decimal lined up, so I'm actually going to drop it into my answer right away. 9 plus 1 is 10. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, giving me a final answer of 20.993. One last example here. We are going to solve 3 decimal numbers being added together. I have a handy place value chart, and I'm going to line up the decimals on all 3 numbers. 4.21, 53.9, and 0. I'm actually going to put the 0 in the better spot. 0.632. I have a couple empty spots in my place values, so I'm going to throw some zeros in to help me, and I'm going to add accordingly. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 9 plus 2 is 17. 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. And finally, 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. My decimal falls in line for a final answer of 58.742. Those are all the examples we have today for adding decimals. Please follow us on Instagram and TikTok at 6 Minute Math. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any topics you want to see me tackle in a future 6-minute episode. Always remember that the best way to get math is to practice math, so keep on practicing. And until next time, keep solving and evolving.